Good morning, Perfect Storm Trading here. It is Saturday, May 8th, around 8 a.m. I just want to go through some important points on the Astro Excel sheet for the coming week. Take a look at some points on here that we can look for and watch for some swing setups. So we're showing an upward bias into the 10th at around 1500. We peak here. The blue line's going up and rolls over here. You always want to watch when these lines are in sync. Let's say if we end up making a high in the time area here, then definitely a good point to get into a short when we get that sort of thing. The other thing to do as this green line is trending up here, you want to look for the market to coincide and make lows at the low points on the blue line and use those as potential entries. The next significant point would be the major trend indication would be a little bit of a downward bias here. A key point to watch for reversal would be right here where the green line and blue line both bottom out within a couple hours of each other. Then as this green line heads back up here, look for these blue line lows to initiate into long positions. Now the lines converge again at the high point here late on the 12th, and then we have a downward bias the rest of the week on the green line. So you could look for short opportunities if the market makes highs in coincidence with the blue line peaks. These are places where you could look to get short into that trend. So this is kind of another way you want to use this together. When these lines are in sync, they are, strongest. So we'll see how this plays out. Gives you something to look at for the week ahead. On the other side of that, you can also look at if you're in long trades, you can look for exits or bring your stops up as the blue line peaks, because those are potential areas where the market may roll over. Last week, the price action was tracking the blue line more so than the green line, and that does happen. Sometimes it walks between them. So watch how the price is tracking which one of these lines, and that'll give you another indication to use this along with the Vedic or the intraday Cosmodyne. So that's it for today. Hopefully this gives you some help to see the trend for the coming week. We will be back again Monday with another video. Thanks for watching.